Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the best paper plane for flight time. Let's start. Here is the waste paper that you can use to make this plane. First step, fold it into half. Next step, open it up. Now you have to fold it. Other way also. Now, this one. Now you turn it back. You see this? Now you have to put it back. Now turn back again. Put this. This side same. It's almost done. You have to fold it like this. Now almost done. Fold it like this. Make the body small. Please note that. Look at least small as this. You're almost done. You have to do the same with the other side. Now we are done. See this? These two are the same. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and comment for more paper craft videos. Thank you.